Welcome to the participants of Varanasi region for online course on designing e-resources. All of you are busy with quiz and assignments, completing quiz and assignments. For those participants submitting all the 6 quiz and assignments, e-certificates will be generated and sent to your email ID. In this video, you will learn how to check your name and other particulars for generating e-certificate at our end. For this, we have sent one Google sheet to your email ID. Your email will read like this: Director Z@, Mumbai, for certificate writing invitation to edit. Click it. online.z@mumbai@gmail.com has invited you to edit the following spreadsheet. Open it. A sheet will open. You are seeing this. This sheet is list of participants for certificate writing RO Varanasi. And in this sheet, your names are arranged as per your roll number. You can identify your name as per your roll number. And you are also seeing that below every name, one row is kept vacant. Below your name and other particulars, one row is kept vacant. That row is reserved for giving the corrections from your end. How you have to do it? Kindly identify your name with your roll number and check the particulars. What are the particulars? Name in English, designation, KV and region. These are all in English. Then name in Hindi, designation in Hindi, and name of your KV in Hindi and region in Hindi. Okay. Now, suppose check your name in English. If you want to change your name, please type a corrected one below the name. One row is kept there. Let me type MSRINIVASAN. I want this spelling now. After you have changed it, please bold it and then change the color to red, which means that you want this correction. Then suppose designation, if there is no change, put one hyphen. If there is no change in your name also, put one hyphen. And no change in my KV, I am putting hyphen. Now this region, I want to convert it into KV as Z@, Mumbai, for example. I am doing it. What I have to do? Bold it and change the color to red. Once again I repeat, in English, check your name. If it is right, put one hyphen below that. If it is not right, please write the correction below that and convert it into red color. Okay. Come back to Hindi particulars now. Normally, those who want to type it in Unicode, you can do it. Below your name, suppose if your name in Hindi is wrong, please correct it. Designation in Hindi is wrong, please correct it. Below the row, which is kept vacant for you. Suppose those who are not having that Unicode, it is very simple. Go to this Google and type Google Input Tools. Google Input Tools. You can do the Hindi typing online. Click Google Input Tools. Try it out. Then in the language, you select Hindi. For example, here my name I want to change. Srinivasan I want to change. Here, see, I will type SRINIVASAN. Okay. Now this spelling, first one, I want to take it. Therefore, I am taking it. Copy it. Come back. And then paste it. Now again, what you have to do now? You have to change the color to red. Okay. Now after that, I think I don't want any change in the designation. Therefore, I am putting one hyphen. No change in KV. Okay. Anyway, I don't want to change anything. Therefore, put one hyphen. If you don't want to do any change, put a hyphen. After that, Suppose you have done all the correction, that is you have checked your name in Hindi and your all the particulars in English, all the particulars in Hindi, then in the remarks column, please type checked. Okay, once again I repeat, please identify your name with your roll number. Below your name and other particulars, one row is kept vacant for doing corrections. If there is any correction in the name in English, do it below. Designation, do it below. Name of your KV, do it below. Region, I think most probably there won't be any change. Come back to the corrections in Hindi. If you are able to type it with your Unicode in your computer, type it. Otherwise, go for this Google input tools, type it, copy it and paste it. After you have done the corrections, please don't forget to type checked in the remarks. This particular Google Sheet, no need to save it. It will get automatically saved at my end. So no need to save it. Simply do all the corrections, put checked in the remarks and close this particular file. It will get saved automatically. My humble request, please don't do any type of corrections in any other particulars other than your name and other particulars. And please don't do any changes in this Google Sheet. Thank you friends. Try to do it within 2 days so that we can prepare the e-certificates and send it to you on time. Thank you.